Welcome to the Social Intelligence Channel. Join us as we share proven strategies to boost self-esteem and confidence using social skills. Self-esteem and confidence are essential components of our personalities that play a significant role in shaping our social interactions and personal growth. They influence how we perceive ourselves, how we interact with others, and ultimately, the level of success we achieve in life. Low self-esteem can be a major obstacle to forming meaningful connections with others. When we lack confidence in ourselves, we often second-guess our actions, doubt our abilities, and apologize excessively, even when it's not necessary. This can lead to social anxiety, fear of rejection, and a perpetual feeling of inadequacy. In extreme cases, low self-esteem can be debilitating, causing us to sabotage our relationships, opportunities, and ultimately, our own potential. Many of us struggle with negative self-talk, a critical inner voice that constantly reminds us of our shortcomings. This toxic narrative can be overwhelming, making it difficult to recognize our strengths and accomplishments. Moreover, it can lead to a perpetual cycle of self-doubt, causing us to make excuses, procrastinate, and settle for mediocrity. We often underestimate the impact of low self-esteem on our daily lives. It can affect our performance at work, our relationships, and even our physical and mental health. When we lack confidence, we're more likely to accept unhealthy relationships, toxic work environments, and settle for less than we deserve. So, how can we break free from the shackles of low self-esteem and unlock our true potential? The answer lies in mastering some essential social skills that can help boost our confidence and self-esteem. One of the most powerful social skills that can transform our lives is active listening. When we listen attentively to others, we send a powerful message that we value and respect them. This, in turn, helps us build stronger relationships, resolve conflicts more effectively, and even improve our communication skills. Maintaining eye contact is another crucial skill that can help us project confidence and authority. By doing so, we convey our self-assurance, making others more likely to take us seriously. Positive self-talk is another game-changer when it comes to boosting self-esteem. By replacing negative affirmations with positive, empowering ones, we can rewire our brains to focus on our strengths rather than our weaknesses. This can have a profound impact on our mindset, helping us develop a more optimistic outlook on life. Additionally, practicing gratitude can help us shift our focus from what's lacking to what we already have, fostering a sense of contentment and satisfaction. We want to share a personal story that illustrates the transformative power of these social skills. We once knew someone who struggled with severe anxiety and low self-esteem. He was hesitant to speak up in meetings, fearing ridicule or rejection. However, with consistent practice of active listening, maintaining eye contact, and positive self-talk, he began to notice a significant shift in his confidence levels. He started speaking up more, sharing his ideas, and even landed a major project that showcased his skills. This newfound confidence spilled over into other areas of his life, including his relationships and personal growth. The results were nothing short of remarkable. He became more assertive, more confident, and more self-assured. This experience taught us that even small changes in our behavior can have a profound impact on our self-esteem and confidence. In summary, the social skills we've discussed today, active listening, maintaining eye contact, and positive self-talk, are powerful tools that can help boost our self-esteem and confidence. By incorporating these skills into our daily lives, we can break free from the limitations of low self-esteem and unlock our true potential. Thanks for watching, and we would love to hear about your experiences with self-esteem in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about building confidence and self-esteem, be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out our upcoming video, where we will be sharing more practical tips and strategies.